Hello, Rosans. To begin the process of registering your database on the official website, you have to follow these steps. First, you open your web browser. In the address bar, type rssosa.org and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results, and this will direct you to the homepage of the website. On reaching the website, you will notice a login icon located in the top right corner. Click on the login icon. You'll be directed to a new page, and on this page, you will find two options. The option on the left is for individuals who are already registered members. The option on the right is for new members. To register successfully, please provide the following information. Please make sure not to leave any field blank. If you do not have an answer for any question, kindly input none or nil in the respective spaces. Ensure that you have a password that is both secure and memorable. Beneath this field, there is a space provided for old students who are still currently enrolled as students. If you are not a student, please enter new in this space. After completing the necessary information, click on the Submit button. You will be redirected to a confirmation page. The pending approval status will be updated once you have been approved by the administrator.